Hey, what's up YouTube? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to do this review on the Bodum pour over mug. I bought this because it's a smaller size. I don't want something huge, and the price was really good. It was only $10 because it was on sale. And instead of using a Keurig, I wanted to try the pour over. So that's why I bought it. And Bodum is a pretty good brand for coffee drinkers, and I got this on Amazon. If you look here, it's a 12 ounce. Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna go over my experience with this pour over cup. Anyways, here's the box. It's pretty small, about the size of my hand. I mean, it's a little bit smaller. And then on this box, it's black. It's pretty firm. This looks like French, and then that's the French instructions over here. All right. Here are the instructions in English. All you got to do is use medium ground coffee, and then pour hot water in, and then it'll just come into the cup. All right, already took the items outside. Here's what you get. If you open this box, here's the bags that came in. You don't really get any instructions or paperwork. All you get are the items, which I don't mind, because everything's really straightforward with this product. Anyways, these are the 3 items you get. Here's the filter. This way. Here's the filter. You see the mesh right here. It's metal mesh. The plastic, it's black colored, and then here's the other part, the filter. This is where you put the filter over. Also plastic. It's clear. Has the Bodum logo, and you see this hole right here. This is where the coffee drips out right here. It's recyclable, so that's nice. If you ever wanted to get rid of it. Can recycle this. Anyways, here's the mug. It's pretty thick. I believe it's double walled to keep in the heat. You got the logo again, made in Portugal, and yeah, so it's double walled to keep the temperature in. Anyway, so here here's if you see here, there's some protrusions right here, so that you can put it right over the cup, and that it won't move too much. It'll just move a little bit, but it fits this cup perfectly. I imagine you could use your own cup, and then if it's wide enough, and to put this over a regular cup. The benefit of having this cup is that it's see-through, so you can see as the coffee is filling up, you can see how much space you have remaining. And all right, so this is what comes in the box, and the instructions are pretty straightforward. All right, so I'm gonna do an example of using this Bodum pour over. All right, guys, I have my pour over set up here. I got the paper filter. The box doesn't say that you need to put it in a filter, but I think it's good to put a paper filter anyways, and it makes the cleanup a lot easier. I'm using a Pike Place roast grounds, and I poured some in already. I'm gonna pour in a little bit more because I like my coffee stronger. I like it stronger. I need that caffeine. I'm gonna press it down a little bit. All right, and let me just get my electric kettle. Okie doke. So this is boiling now, and let me just get this. So I'm gonna pour it in. All right, so the coffee is coming down. You see the drips right there? So it's coming out right now. So I saw online you're supposed to like pour a little bit of the boiling water, let it sit for a few seconds, and then now you can pour again in a circular motion. Just gonna pour a little bit. And now you can hear that the coffee is really flowing through. You see that in the bottom, it's coming out right there. So that's the benefit of this double-walled, the see-through cup. It's plastic. You can see the coffee coming out. Let me just try to lower my tripod so you get a better view of that. All right. Now we'll pour some more in a circular motion. Yeah, I also saw on YouTube there's actually like competitions about pour over brewing, and which is surprising to me. Like, well, I really didn't know you can have that, but yeah, there's like champions of pour over coffee. So yeah, I guess that's pretty cool. I'm no professional myself. I'm just starting off. Actually, I have a Keurig coffee machine maker, but I wanted to try this. All right. And so I've used this already like 2 or 3 times. I have to say I do like this, the quality better than a Keurig. Yeah, it just the flavor is just more vibrant. It's stronger. And I feel like the flavor is extracted better from the grinds versus a Keurig. All right, you see the coffee's already up to here. And just pour some more in a circular motion. So the downside to having this pour over is that this takes a little bit more time and manual effort, whereas the Keurig, you could just pop in a K-pod and then it'll brew right away really fast. So that's the difference between these two. Like, this will take more time, but you do get, in my opinion, you get more flavor, and the quality is definitely better in my opinion. All right, so this is pretty much at max, almost at max. And so that's basically the process for brewing this with the pour over, this $10 contraption. All right guys, so here is the end result. You can see like it's a really nice dark coloring. Here's a zoom in. All right, let me take a sip. All right, yeah, that was pretty good. It was really rich, really dark, really strong, just the way I like it. All right, so those are the results using this pour over. I've used this a handful of times already, and I do have to say, in conclusion, I do prefer this, like, flavor wise, much more vibrant than using a machine. The only downside is like you spend more time, you gotta clean up, like it's more manual labor. But if you got the time and you love your coffee, this is the way to go. It's only $10. You get high quality stuff, and definitely the taste is there. And you know what? Sometimes that's the most important thing to a lot of people. Like, if the quality and the flavor is there, like they're willing to spend the extra time and effort to make this coffee. Anyways, this is my review of the Bodum pour over mug. I hope you liked this review. I hope it was informative. Anyways, please click like or hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace out.